Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Docker engines keeps pressing at the startup screen. So basically, Docker engine allows you to develop, assemble, ship, and run applications using the following components. So the main purpose of Docker engine lets you build, test, deploy, and scale applications quickly into any environment and know your code will run. So, kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung turn Windows on and off. So, click mo lang dito yung open. And then, makikita mo dito yung Windows features, turns on and off. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung Windows subsystems for Linux. So, scroll down lang tayo. And then, hanapin natin, locate yung Windows subsystem for Linux. So, ang gagawin natin ay kailangan mo lang itong i-uncheck. Kapag naka-check itong box, uncheck mo lang siya. And then, click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, wait natin na ma-complete yung searching for required files. Ayan. So, makikita mo dito na Windows completed the requested changes. So, ang next step ay close lang natin yan. And then, dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang ito. So, after tayo mag-restart ng ating PC, so ang next step, so same procedures, click mo lang dito yung search menu. And then, type mo lang dito yung turn Windows on and off. So, same procedures. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And then pop up itong Windows features on and off. Okay, so ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Hyper-V platform. Okay, and then ito na siya. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kapag naka-uncheck itong Windows Hyper-V platform, so kailangan mo na itong i-check and then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung changes. Once na check mo na yan, and then next, dito lang ulit sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Docker engine keeps pressing at startup screen. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.